Okay, today we're going to do some applique, and I'm going to show you how we do it. So let's get this going. So the first thing we do is we put an outline where we're going to want to stick our applique. So we're going to do that first. And you like to do that in the same color that you're going to be actually doing the thread, or you could do it with a lighter color, that'll work fine. This is just to show you the placement of the applique. Make sure you cut it big enough so that you place the applique in the proper area. So this is going to take just a little bit, and we're going to go through it. This is a design. This design has approximately 22,000 stitches, and like I say, the first thing we're going to do is put in this placement stitch so we know where we're going to stick our applique down. Then we're going to spray adhesive our applique, and we're going to lay it in the proper position. And in this case, we're going to be using glitter flake that Stalls puts out. So that's what we're going to be using, and we'll show you that also. This design will say Hawaii 2017. So this is going to take a little bit, so I'll come back when we're ready to stick in the applique. Okay, now we're back at the machine, so let's continue the process. As you can see, we have our glitter flake, and it's actually put onto the shirt. And we've used a little tack adhesive to keep it in place, and in this case the design was so big, to make it easier, we've taken the hoop off of the actual embroidery machine, and we've put it on that way, so we make sure that we have this in the proper placement. Also, when it's this big, it's hard for you to get your hand under there and actually get it to sit properly. So when you stick it on the table and you press it on, it turns out really nice. It takes a little longer, but it's the proper way to do it with a bigger design. So we're following up with some green thread, so we'll match up really nice. So we have some green thread that's going as the outline, and on the inside, of course, you will have the applique, which will be the glitter flake in green. So this is going to take a while, so we have over 22,000 stitches in this design, so it's going to take a little while, so we're going to continue the process, and then we'll be coming back in just a little bit. Okay, we're continuing the process. We've done the Hawaii portion on the top, and now we're doing 2017. So that's what we're doing right now. And then we're going to take it over to the table, and I'm going to rip away the rip away, which is the glitter flake, which is a rip away technique. We're going to rip that away, take out the pieces I don't want, and then the final step is we'll take it over to the heat press and press it for approximately 10 to 15 seconds at 320 degrees. So that's what's coming up. And we're giving you a little piece of how to do applique using glitter flake, and this can be done with other things that you can buy at Stalls. But this is a Stalls product. It works great. It comes in different colors. We're using green here. It comes in gold. It comes in silver. It comes in all sorts of different colors. It's real cool. but it's not cheap, so you want to make sure you don't cut too much. So that's why you do the outline and then cut it appropriately. So we're going to come right back in just a little bit and talk a little bit more and show you how this technique rips away. Okay, here we are at the table. You can see we've embroidered our outline around the glitter flake, and now we're ready to rip away the glitter flake. So watch how easily this is done. Grab the corner. And just start ripping it away. So we'll rip it away and we'll come right back and show you what it's like. Okay, we're at the final stage. We're over at our Insta heat press, and we're going to press this for approximately 10 to 15 seconds at 320 degrees. So I've showed you a couple of tools that I use to weed that. Now it's almost like weeding a sign. You have to weed it all out. So here's a little picker I use to pick out the little areas in between the 0, in between the A, the 2 A's, and then there was some other little areas I want to click up, and maybe a little tweezers would work out also, or you could use a weeding tweezers. Those work good too. Now these are the tools I had, so I used them. They worked fine. So those are the things you're going to have to do. You see it looks great, and the final step is just to press it on, and they're recommending that you leave the cutaway backing, which we used a Weblon, 2 layers, and then we did 1 tearaway. So they recommend you leave all that on till after you press it, and then go back in there and take all that stuff off. So that's what they recommend. And this is the Stahl stuff. So go to Stahl's for all this information. They're going to give it to you when you buy the glitter flake. So let's press this and get this over with and take a look. So we're pressing this for about 10 to 15 seconds at 320. We'll swing away and we'll have a take a look at it, and we should be completed with this glitter flake applique. And there it is, a completed applique design the easy way, using glitter flake by Stahl's. Hope you enjoyed our video, and we got more videos to come. So easy applique using Stahl's glitter flake, and I hope you enjoyed it, and have a great day, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more great videos to come.